Sawubona mfundi wami, ibizo lami nguBongiwe Mtambo, and I just want to welcome you into this new challenge that we created for people that now have the basics, Ndebele basics, right? So we want to help you get practical with your Ndebele. So for 21 days, we're going to be giving you one video on each day, and here's how it works. For some of the videos, we'll give you quizzes, all right? So we want to test your Ndebele knowledge whilst helping you to get handy with your words and your phrases, and to also check if you are correct in what you're saying, in how you are pronouncing your words, and how you're using your Ndebele. All right. So this is for what we call level 1 beginners. Level 1 beginners now have a basis of isiNdebele. You now know how to talk, how to greet, how to introduce yourself, how to talk about common items, around the house, common items that you meet even when you go out there, right? So we want to help you solidify your knowledge. We'll be giving you quizzes. Sometimes we'll give you exercises where you fill in the blanks, all right? We want to see if you can use your words properly. And then at times we give you A or B options. Those are normally trickier than quizzes because you've got just 2 answers to choose from, and want to see if you can see some subtle differences between some phrases, okay? At times we'll give you some pictures and see if you can identify the items in the pictures by their Ndebele names, of course. All right, so we're just checking your vocabulary, checking your grammar, checking how you use isiNdebele as a basic speaker of the language. All right, I hope you are excited about this because we are excited to help you build upon your Ndebele and just keep going to the next level. All right. So if you are seeing this video, it means Isifundo 1 is already live. Not Isifundo, but day 1. Right? We're not teaching you, but we are guiding you to use Ndebele. So you can go ahead and check for day 1 for the 21-day Ndebele challenge and get started. All right. Let us know how this goes. Let us know if it's helping you get better with your Ndebele. See you in day 1.